This project began with my open-source Terraria bottled water lamp. After hearing that it needed more pixels, I redesigned the PCB and upgraded it to 256 LEDs. It still uses an affordable 2-layer PCB and many of the same components. I also added a microphone, allowing the liquid animation to respond to music in real time. Bluetooth control is retained, so the colors, pixels, and effects can be adjusted at any time. It also supports custom pixel art and many other functions for you to explore. It can be used as an illuminated pendant, a creative gift, or a beautiful and practical ambient light for your desk. The project is now open source. Next, I will show you how to build this Terraria bottled water lamp. First, prepare the required materials. You can find the complete bill of materials in the open source project files. Place the PCB in a solder-paste printing fixture and apply the paste. Then comes the lengthy component placement process. Once all the parts are in position, place the assembled PCB on the heating plate. Next, assemble the lower section. Apply solder paste, position the LEDs, and reflow them with hot air. Clean up the joints, reinforce the connector, and remove any excess solder. Before connecting USB, use a multimeter to check for a power short. Then connect the board and confirm that a USB port appears on the computer. Open the flashing tool included with the project files, load the firmware, select the correct port, and click Start. Power cycle the board after flashing. Any LEDs that remain abnormal will need calibration. Connect over Bluetooth, fill every LED with a rainbow test pattern, and turn up the brightness. Now calibrate the LEDs. Rework any failed joint with a little solder paste at about 240 degrees Celsius. Doing this across 256 tiny LEDs takes patience. For consistent results, professional SMT assembly is the better option. A free assembly coupon made this build much easier. After calibration and battery installation, the circuit board section is finally complete. Next, 3D, print the enclosure. Reduce the infill speed for the transparent shell and assign the correct colors in the 3MF file. Use a 0.2mm nozzle. Default settings work for the rear cover. Once the enclosure is assembled, the Terraria bottled water lamp is complete. That concludes this open source build tutorial. More improvements are coming. If you need help, join the community discussion. If you like this project, please support it with a like. It means a great deal to me.